Indonesia is an agrarian country due to its vast agricultural potential, with approximately 94 million hectares of land suitable for farming. Agriculture is one of the most vital sectors in our lives, not only as a source of food, but also as a major contributor to the economy. As the demand for food, especially rice, continues to grow, there is an increasing need to boost farmers' productivity. Among the stages in the farming process, plowing, planting, and weeding are the most time and energy consuming. To address this, agricultural equipment manufacturers have developed various machines to accelerate these processes. However, these machines are often sold separately. Plowing machines are used to prepare the soil. Rice planting machine helps plant the seedlings accurately and evenly, significantly reducing the need on manual labor. Then, the weeding machine helps control weeds and keep the field clean before harvest. FS 1.0, or Farm Solution 1.0, is a multifunctional agricultural machine. FS 1.0 is designed to handle plowing, planting, and weeding processes, which are usually done using separate machines available on the market. In our machine, the tools for plowing, planting, and weeding are made as attachments that can be connected to a single main drive unit or tractor. This machine only requires 1 to 2 people to operate, which helps reduce operational costs significantly. This tractor unit serves a very important function, as it is the main engine that drives the available equipment. Without this tractor unit, the attachments cannot be operated. This unit consists of several key components, including a diesel engine, tractor gearbox, transmission belt and pulley, and a belt tensioner lever. The butterfly plow is a tool used for soil cultivation. It helps create good conditions for rice root growth. This plow consists of several parts: a connector, a depth controller, and the butterfly plow itself. This rice planting machine is used to transplant rice into rice fields. It is powered by a diesel engine from tractor and uses a flexible shaft transmission system. The rice planting mechanism operates using a cam system. In addition to that, the machine consists of several other parts, such as a rice tray, a sprocket chain mechanism, a connector, and an automatic tray feeder. This weeding tool is designed to remove weeds in rice fields after rice transplantation. It operates by disturbing the soil surface, thereby uprooting unwanted plants without damaging the rice. The tool consists of several components, including a connector for attachment, a balancer, and a roller weeder.